Hey mofos, I hope you're doing awesome. So my mother is an art teacher and we are in her classroom. These are my two beautiful nephews and here's my mom and my husband.
Why do we keep doing it?
And we are trying to demonstrate and show my nephews why it is super important to cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. And it's important to stay a little bit away from each other. So I'm going to go get the dogs, and it's going to get real interesting. I'll see you in a minute.
Doing it?
Hey, guys, we're back.
She's listening right now.
So we've added an extra element. We've brought all four of my dogs, and as you can see, we've got a little bit of chaos going on.
No, not you.
And my nephews absolutely love the dogs, and my dogs love my nephews. And my dogs are actually missing social interaction with people because they're used to going and doing. So they're really getting excited around the people that they are seeing that they don't live with. All right, so here's what I've done. I've taken my handy dandy mask and I've put some glitter. Now, watch what happens. Okay, now guys, this is real. So when I sneeze and I have a mask on, right? Here we go. Watch what happens. Look at very, very little glitter. But look at my face. I got it all over my face, but it stays in the mask. This is why we're wearing a mask. Right? I'm just trying to demonstrate. Does that make sense? This is why we're wearing a mask.
This way now.
And it stays, nope, I need you to sit down. And it stays here and it doesn't go all over the room. Okay? And now you guys are still, and now we're going to do another experiment. We'll be right back.
Look at them. They're hungry.
All right, we're back. Okay, so my mom, so the boys are still stationary. The dogs are still moving around. My mom is going to sneeze without a mask. Okay, so here we go.
What?
Hold on, there she is. Hi, Mom. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
It's on my hand.
And look at Grandma's hand.
Hi, buddy, Paulo. Look at
Oh, no.
Stop it.
Yes.
It's all over you.
Stop. You got
See,
my
this
hair.
is why we're wearing a mask.
Stop touching me like
We're
that.
staying away from each other. All right, so now I'm going to just
Stop it.
keep
You
going
just
and
let me
tell the
sneeze.
boys that they can get up and move around. I'm going to give my mom some more glitter, and I'm going to have her sneeze one more time. And I'm going to have the boys like move around and pet the dogs, and we're going to see what happens to the glitter now. Here we go. Oh, no. And now it's all over the dogs. Oh, and it's all over the floor. And now it's all over Grandma. And now it is all over everything. Oh, no. And it's all over. Fritz has got glitter all over him.
I'm trying to put this on.
What lesson did we learn today?
Where's the glitter box?
What happens when you sneeze? What happens? And then you have to, what, cover your mouth? That's right. Because we can't get the virus. We can't get the virus. This is
This is
my
how I sneeze.
this is my nephew. One of my nephews. All right, I love you all. Whether you're wearing a mask or not, they are a part of life. And it is something that we have to get used to, and something we have to get the dogs used to. And at the very minimum, you need to cover your mouth. And yeah, this is my chaos. Look at all that glitter. I love you all so much. Stay safe and be healthy.